Good day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about patience, discipline, and emotional intelligence. It's Friday, we've had a great week. We've had textbook perfect trade setups throughout the entire week. And today, Friday, no major red news on the schedule yesterday or today. And we defined out a couple of opportunities that presented. And again, reinforcing to traders, if you get a first green day, a first red day, or you get an inside day, all that is a signal day. It means nothing unless the market sets up for a best trade setup. So traders ask questions, but I thought it was a first green day or a first red day. None of that makes any relevance unless the market sets up for that trade setup. So again, that's a signal day. Then the market needs to set up. You need to have the patience to allow the market to show its hand. I have no idea. We're not in the business of predicting. I'm not in the business of predicting. I know there are others out there who can tell you exactly where it's going to go today. That's not my job. My job is to execute the best trade setup as possible and to make money from that trade. Manage my downside, lock in the profits, and get off the screen. So patience to allow the market to set up. Patience is about paying attention to the clock, as we've talked about, 30 to 45 minutes in that first hour. If you already have a thesis, is the market now, has it locked in a level? Is it impulsing? Is it moving? Is this going to go from one side to the other? Have we hit a previous day's high or low? And then the discipline to, number one, execute the trade. And number two, manage your downside and allow the trade to evolve and to follow its to completion. So the patience is allowing that market to play out, understanding the importance of timing. If you're in the market in the first hour, when can that trade possibly change direction if it takes out a high or a low? Well, obviously the next hour, as some traders took the low off of gold. Now, the next thing to consider is emotional intelligence. Is it a high probability opportunity, the one that you're trading, or is this going to be a good trade for the session? We're done in 1 hour and we walk away. Having the emotional intelligence to lock in the money, stop trading, and walk away. I know there are, again, traders out there who like to catch every move and call every gap and trade this, trade that, come back later, trade some more. That's not my job. My job is to size into the best setups, and the size is dictated by the quality of that setup and the template itself. So patience, discipline, and emotional intelligence. Grow your trading business. Protect your psychological capital. The worst thing you can do on a Friday or at the end of a week is to come unstuck and do damage to yourself after having a flawless or one of your best trading weeks ever. And we talk about this. You're in the trading business. Your job isn't to try and guess every direction. It's not to predict a move. It's, do I have a setup? My job is, do I have a setup? And if I do have a setup, or if I've got two or three, which ones are playing out the best? Which one do I resonate with the best? Is it completing the pattern for an entry? How much size do I want to put in on this? Where am I getting out? Where am I going to scale out? Where am I going to lock in profits? And then call it a day. Get on with your day. Go have a workout. Go shopping. Spend the day with your kids. Whatever you want to do. Anyways, that's it. Have a great day, traders. It's the weekend. And as one trader said, he locked it in. He didn't care. Marius, I think, shorted the first red day on the Canadian dollar. Awesome trade. And he said, I don't care if it keeps going. I'm done. I'm going to start the weekend early. Have a great day, traders. Keep it going, keep it growing, and may the markets go with you.